Hello and welcome to the Mercedes W116 channel. On today's video I will show you how we're gonna bring back to life an old battery. As we know, in this time of crisis, all the prices are just going up in flames, and now to replace a battery costs quite a bit of money. So can we repair them? Can we bring them back to life? That's what I'm gonna show you today. In order to recuperate our battery, what we will need? We will need a multimeter. Usually we have one at home. And we will need a little tool like this one. I'll put it closer so like that you can see what it is. It's a very small tool that removes the sulfate on the batteries. Okay, there we go, I show it to you. So the way it works, it's simply you connect it, the minus on the minus and the plus on the plus. Okay, so now I will show you the steps in order to recuperate the battery. Before we start, we have first to check the voltage of the battery. So on a battery like this we should have 12 volts. So let's test it and see how much we have. Okay, 4 volts, 84, 83. Okay, so that's definitely too low in order to work on the battery, okay, because this will work at 11 volt minimum. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll charge the battery first. Let's start charging. Okay, so the plus on plus and minus on minus. Here we see that the needle doesn't move, obviously because the battery is very discharged, but to make sure it's charging, now we're gonna test it again, and that should move. There we go, 16.50. okay, so that should never go up. When a battery is good, it should never go up that way. Okay, it should charge very slowly. So here we know we got a problem. So anyway, we're gonna leave it like that a while, and then we're gonna connect our tool. Some time have passed, so let's now check the status of the battery. Okay, we disconnect, we test it. And how much we have? We have 12.26. okay, so we know the battery has a problem and it will fall down pretty quickly. Okay, so now we can connect this directly on the battery. The only problem is this doesn't fit on that, so what I'll do, I'll place stuff like this on it, I'll tighten it, and then I'll couple this with that. I've now fitted those clips on the plus and the minus in order to hold the tool, and what we do now, we just connect it. You'll see it's very simple. Now it will select here the voltage of the battery, the 12 volt. It should, here we go, 12 volts, 12.1, and now it should start pulsing. It will make a buzzing sound, it will make beep beep beep, and it should repair the battery automatically. Let's wait for the noise. That's it. Can you hear it? Okay, so now it does this cycle. Okay, it will start working on the battery. So what you will do now, you will wait for the cycle to finish, and then you will repeat it 3 times, and then you should see a very big improvement on your battery. Sometimes, depending on the state of your battery, it would be wise to give more cycles, okay, especially if you've never done it. So here we go. So let's wait for that cycle to go, and after we'll test the battery. I've completed one cycle, which lasts about 6 to 8 hours, and now I'm charging again the battery just to see if there's a difference. You remember when we charged it before, it was going up to 16 volts, stuff like that, which is normally not correct. So let's check now. Look at that, 13.23. That's quite good. Okay, that's more normal. Okay, so I will continue charging it, and then I will pulse it again, and as I say, I will do it 3 times, and normally my battery should be perfect. That's it, my friends. I've done my cycles. I'm now very pleased with the result because the charge actually hold on the battery, so that's quite good. Now if you want to do the same and you want to buy this, personally I've never found this on shops, normal shops, but online you will find it on websites, on eBay, Amazon, stuff like that. That cost about 20 euro. Okay, so if you want to have it a go as well, well, do it. At first, when I've seen that, I was a bit doubtful, but it actually does wonders. Not sure how, but it works. So I'm very pleased. So I hope that you have liked the video, and we'll see each other in the next one. Take care.